Welcome into the Flippin' Hippos reseller channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the thumbs up to help us feed our hungry hippos. Today we are continuing the awesome epic story that has been the unboxing of the huge buyout I did of over 450 pieces of clothing from my friend Jay. I've got two more boxes here that we're going to record in two different videos. And I have two more coming from Vegas, and that's the end of it. So the total was 10 boxes. Some really great pieces. Stuff is already selling, but let's just dive into this box right here. Let's get going. We've got a new with tags Auden sports bra. Auden is a Target brand, but I will always take new with tags. Pro tip, if there's a clearance tag, I always try to take it off somehow, whether you can just peel it off. If it's at the bottom, you can cut it off. You can write it out with a marker, but I never leave clearance on there. They don't need to know that it was clearance when I'm selling new tags. We have a Glamourese. This bra is, I'm trying to find the size and I can't see without my glasses. It's a bra. Oh my goodness, why can't I see anything? Well, when I take pictures, I'll figure it out. I'll get a close-up of the tag, and hopefully between that and List Perfectly's AI, we'll figure it out together. Limity, sports bra, new at tags. Athletic wear always does well, especially when it's new at tags. I got the gym people new at tags. And these sports bras all are padded, which I always put in the title, in the description, as like a perk of the item. We have a 3T Zuni girl. Look how cute this is. It's got the little flower. I think it has a layered skirt. That's really cute. We have a Champion sports bra. That just kind of hung on the side of the box there, didn't it? We've got Champion t-shirt. And this is a stack of new with tags, all in motion. There's 3 of them, all new with tags. I believe this is a Walmart brand. It's new with tags. I sell used Walmart jeans all the time for like 25 bucks. So I'll take it new with tags. This it's connected, so it's a 2-piece set. I don't see the tags, so I will sell this new without tags. The fact that they're still connected to me means new. And we have the really cute shirt with the bows, and the shirt in the back says good days ahead. With a little butterfly. Cute. Oh, stuff's just falling everywhere. It's another sports bra. That's a tiny one. This might be kids. New with tags, Bali Comfort bra. This is, I don't know why things make it so difficult for me to find their tags. Well, New Day. A New Day is not a great brand that you necessarily want to go out and source on purpose. But these tops are really cute, and they came in a bulk buy. So there are certain brands that I will tell you that even if I'm at the thrift and they're 99 cents, I would leave them on the rack and pass them on by. However, if something is plus size, has a really great graphic, new with tags, or comes in a big bulk buy, I toss that rule out the window. Just like when I get thread up boxes and I have brands in there that I would normally pass on, I'm still going to list them because they're still going to sell. And you're getting so much when you bulk buy for so little money. The good stuff is going to pay for the buy, the bulk buy, and start making you profit on its own. And everything else is just icing on the cake. I don't know what brand that was because I'm just talking away. It was another one of these Glamourese sports. We've got a jacket here. You know what this jacket makes me think of? This is a Super Dry Hydrotech waterproof jacket by Supertech. Pretty sure this is going to comp pretty good. Stuff like this usually does. Jackets are typically a good thing to source. But this makes me think of Georgie in It. And if you know who and what I mean, you get extra cool points today from me. I'm trying to get this stuff out of here without throwing it on the floor. Okay, we got these. Okay, we're going to open it up. These are all new with tags, kids' clothes. Some more of the All in Motion with tags. Another one like that. She has these so nicely packed. Like all the shirts are together and folded nice. And here I am just taking them all apart and throwing them on my floor. This one's a long sleeve. This is Gap Kids. These are all new tags. Cat and Jack with a dragon. A dragon. That's a dragon. Let me show it to you. It's a dinosaur, silly Billy. Just for You by Carter's. And this is another two-piece set that has two tops. So cute. And there goes her good packing job. We got a windbreaker here. Recycled Propaganda. We have, this looks like another windbreaker coat. Forever 21 Men. Ooh, I'm gonna fall on the floor. Calvin Klein hoodie. Looks like a pullover, a men's. Universal thread. This is a denim dress, like a mini dress. Or maybe it's just a coat. I'll have to see what it measures. Catherine's 3X windbreaker. Now, some of these things, I'm trying to keep them folded as nice as I can. Because when I pick up the stack and bring it to my table to work on, I can just slide hangers right in and pull it up and hang it. I don't have a mannequin. I used to, but it really hurts my back to deal with a mannequin. It's just a lot for me to stand and bend and fart around. So I have a command hook on the wall, and I hang my clothes on a hanger. The List Perfectly background is phenomenal and makes it look so great. So that's what I do. I don't fancy, killing myself to get the job done. We have a Danskin cropped long sleeve pink sweater and a camisole. And I think they go together. I will probably sell them together as a set. This is just a little camisole. Okay. Isabel Maternity, double XL. Motherhood, just XL. Just nice tops. Oh, this looks nice. This is a clothing. This, I think this doesn't even say it has a brand. Cool. So this will be interesting to research. It looks like a kimono. It definitely says Japan on the tag. I don't know if you can see that. Has a belt, but no brand or anything. So what I'll do is really good measurements on this. It's probably most likely vintage. So that'll be an interesting one to list and research. Got a few more items in this box. See if I can get them all out here together. Okay, that's everything here. We'll look at this together. Blair, cat sweater. Oh my goodness. No one take offense to what I'm about to say, but I like to refer to these sweaters as old lady sweaters, and they always do really well. They usually comp pretty high and they sell pretty fast. Now this is it a shawl? Somebody's going to have to help me out here because I am not that much of a girly girl. I think it's a shawl. It's triangular in shape. And help me out. If you guys want, you can help me out too and leave me a comment. We have another kimono. This one actually just has a picture on the tag, so hopefully Google image or AI will help me with that. This one's really nice. It's like that traditional red, and it has the geisha girls on it. I really like this one. I'm going to show you her pretty face, and she's all wrinkled. She's not wrinkled. The dress is wrinkled. The kimono's wrinkled. So that'll be fun to list. We have a scarf. This is actually just a scarf. I don't see a brand on it. That's okay. It's a nice scarf. I'll sell it. Now, everything has to have a brand to sell. If it's good looking or unique in some way and you use really good keywords and get good photos, you're good to go. This has the same picture on the tag as the red kimono. This is a black kimono with a really nice dragon on it, and it's embroidered. That is beautiful. I'm really excited about these kimonos. I can't wait to look them up and comp them. I have a feeling they're going to be comping pretty high. And this is the last thing in this box. Made in Japan, 100% cotton. It is another kimono type robe or wrap. So those are super cool. That is the end of this box. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or even want to help me out a little bit, comment sections down below. Don't forget to join my Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. Go be productive, guys. Go make some money. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.